Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, we made a very significant push up yesterday at the 50% Fibonacci extension. Now, that does give us some concerns about whether or not this really is the end of a correction up here. If this was the end of a correction, this should have made a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3, and it should have gone down and broken structure, which it didn't. Now, it could just end up being like a more complex correction, like a WXY, and then do something like that. But either way, we definitely want to, now that we get this impulsive move up, we probably want to look for logs. And if it does this and turns down, we'll obviously go back to shorts. But if it does this and just keeps on going up, then great, we're looking for logs anyways now. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last most recent impulsive move up that we had yesterday. If this move up right here is like a wave A, this would be a wave B, or it could be a wave 1, and this could be a wave 2. I would be paying very close attention to my fib levels. If you get like a nice impulsive turn to the upside at one of those fib levels, then I would definitely take it as a log, and then hopefully learn and earn at the same time, whether it's a wave C, which would look like this and go back down, or whether it's a wave 3, which would just continue to make very impulsive moves to the upside, making nice higher highs and nice higher lows. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.